Assalamu alaikum. According to purchase, okay, this is like we asked about, okay, US dollar or Lebanese. So if we are entering a product in Lebanese, okay, so you choose the collection, okay, this is a showroom is 50,000 rate, okay. Here, as we did before, look, if we put anything, it will ignore and say no. Start search after the third letter, not take it directly like this. It's taking directly. So start after the third letter or the third number, okay, as we did on the last POS. Okay, here it's taking the Lebanese, okay, LBP, and here still dollar. It have to be the Lebanese like it, and this Lebanese and this Lebanese for sure, okay. This part showroom and currency is good, but as I told you, start search after the third. And even if not found, okay, leave it, don't make it ignoring or no data found. When you add here a product, okay, so after adding any product, let's add a product. Here please as default, leave it all the time as default pieces, as we did also in the past POS, okay. Here still closed, it's not open. I asked Muhammad about it, he told there is an issue you want to fix. Let's say here we put, okay, here is optional, okay. If we don't open, we need it have to be not this three part is optional, so let's make it if we want we will open, if not, so leave it, okay. Also the quantity, if we put here 6, let's say, then we add, it have to go back to the purchase to continue purchasing. It's taking you out, okay. Did you understand this part? So if you are making a plus sign, it have to continue the purchase, okay, not going back to the purchase and continue the invoice, okay. So small, did you see it's taking, it's not taking the and it's also a change again to US dollar. There's some issues here happening, did you see? So after pressing the plus, it have to bring you back to and to add the item directly after any product we are working on, okay. So it will come over here, the second field, okay, and then we can add any product. Here if we are putting Lebanese, everything must be Lebanese. everything must be Lebanese. Okay, item total, here everything will be Lebanese. If we choose dollar, everything will be dollar. Okay, this is related to product, sorry, for purchase. Okay, if we go to the product, wait, if we see list purchase, here you put the rate. Okay, US dollar is for this thing, let's say the same item, it's not found over here, we already purchased it, jumbo. There's something not working over this. Even look, if we choose the US dollar, it's showing dollar. If we choose Lebanese, it's showing something I don't know. Maybe you didn't finish from this yet. It's always, and everything must be showing here Lebanese, not dollar. If Lebanese. Okay. Even here, if you are going to put Lebanese rate and dollar over here, everything will go in Lebanese and everything will go in dollar. About the product, I want to talk about this report because tomorrow you will able to give me, as we discussed with Muhammad, this report, product, purchase and POS for sure. For this over here, great, no problem. Okay, select collection. Okay, we have to fix, as we told you, and we can put US dollar or we can put Lebanese, so we can choose. Look, I don't know what happened, now it changed. I don't know why. It was here dollar and Lebanese and now it changed. So I don't know, and I told you about this. We have to open this and correct the error over here, and we can add the product. If we go to the POS, you have the page related to it, the fields we talk about. Look, I don't know what. By default, it will give if jambon is $8. By default, it will take if 8 times 50, it will be 400,000 Lebanese. Okay, so everything will be here 400,000 Lebanese. Over here, if you see, I don't know if this will be the same. Maybe you didn't do anything till now according to this, but if you choose, so it will be 400, everything will be in 400. If we choose Lebanese, so everything will be Lebanese according to the purchase and the product. Also, we give you the file and also the related things I said. Here you can put the cut price and whole price and the things you have the document about over here. Okay, and everything, I mean everything, like here, if Lebanese, it will show Lebanese. If we are making payment and it's Lebanese, it will show Lebanese overall. Okay, and for sure the receipt will be in Lebanese for sure. Everything will be in Lebanese as we discussed, and I will not talk about this because if we choose everything will be in Lebanese, there will be no dollar as we discussed. okay, but it will be related to the price we put. So if we put $8 was the product. So if the product was $8, it will be in the POS for 400,000. Okay. So please, يعني, also for sure about the Excel, we put we want to fix the error. We want to put the client data. Fathi sent to you a sample form about it to get the answer about it. So everything if we here have an exchange rate or sorry, for US dollar, it will show everything in dollar. If Lebanese, it will show everything in Lebanese. Okay, that's all what I'm talking about, this three part. So in POS, everything in Lebanese. In a product, we have to open and change what we discuss about, and the purchase. There, I told you about the issues. Thank you.